Imagine this blender is your gearbox or diff. Look what happens when just a tiny bit of water seeps in. That bit of water will cause friction, wear and tear, and quite possibly wreck your diff. That's why before I go on every trip, I always change my gear and diff oils. This right here is my diff oil after only one trip in the 79 series. As you can see, it doesn't look too bad, but I'm going to change it anyway because I don't want to take any risks with my diff. You see, mud and water get inside your diff, and that's why I like to change my diff oil quite regularly. In my opinion, it really is cheap insurance against expensive diff repairs. And it's just as important to choose the right oil. I only rely on Nulon because it's engineered for forward driving. It is made to protect diffs under high pressure and high heat conditions. It also protects against corrosion and oil seal deterioration. You know, a broken diff is a real costly exercise, not to mention a real hassle. So before every single trip, make sure you check the health of your diff oil. If it's slightly suspect or you're unsure, just change it out with a good quality diff oil like this one. That way you can really extend the life of your diff.